T-handles in. Here we go. Let's crank it. And it lives. Beautiful thing. All right, we have temperatures, we have pressures. I'm going to go up to 2,300 RPM. We're going to check the mags and get out of here. Ready. Here we go. Stick's going to come back a little bit here. We're going to push it up. Have you ever flown a T6? Nope. Okay. That's why I asked about the 450. The 4 aileron 450 flies a lot like a T6. Got right mag, boat, left mag, boat. And I've got the brake, my entire foot is mashing on the brakes and it still wants to leave. I can help you, but I don't know if it helps. Yeah, I've got it smashed as far as it'll go. Alright. We're going to go up to about 50 inches for takeoff. 61 inches is rated takeoff power. We use 50 just to save the engine. Yeah. Here we go. Runway 25, Jamestown. Alright, she's all yours. Got it. Left turn up. Yep. How do you like that? That's something. By the way, you got it. Yeah, okay. No worries. Buddy ain't shit. Yeah, no kidding. Got four of the nicest running 1830s I've ever seen on these two airplanes. They're smooth, aren't they? Oh, they're beautiful. And you know, all you gotta do is look at the ramp and you know what you're dealing with. Yeah, they're really clean. In Dunkirk on 2 engines. Did he really? Yeah, holy moly. That's how I got to know him. And we just happened to have a full drum of oil. He needed oil. He was using one of the small tanks as oil storage while he was breaking in the engine. And he would, when he'd see the oil temperature go up and the pressure drop a little bit, he would ease it back, just ease the stick pressure. We'll get about 30 degrees to the horizon. Right about here, relax the stick. Pull left, a little bit of left rudder. Just It's a beautiful aileron roll. Just a nice, simple, docile roll. Oh, yeah, that's sweet. How about that? Little humpback roll, all right? Yep, all yours. All right? Go ahead and pull it up and go for it. Let's see, we're 220. Yep. Plus 30. Yep. Okay to the right? Yeah, sure. Relax the stick and ballistic. Keep it going. There you go. Don't let the nose drop. That's okay. We don't want to speed, okay? Yeah, that's okay. I got you ham-handed with it. Sorry. That's okay. No, that's right. Just remember, don't pull inverted. Yeah, that's right. You got to let it relax it. Keep the nose up just a little bit higher. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Okay, there you go. Little rudder, there you go. Awesome. Keep it rolling. There you go, just pull. A lot of adverse shot, my fault. That's okay, just a little bit of rudder pressure when you start to roll. Yeah. Keep the nose up just a little bit higher so you get the feel for it. We got the speed, let's do it again. Alright, speed okay? Yep, keep pulling, let's pull back. Keep the nose up just a little bit higher. A little bit higher, a little bit higher. Pull back just a little bit. Right about there. Okay, go for the roll. Pull left. There you go. You're still pulling back just a little bit. There we go. That's why the nose tuck? Oh man, I lost a lot of altitude. Let me show you. Like I always do. That's okay. Feel me through this. Okay, we'll get the nose way up. Relax the stick. And then pull up. Just a little bit of left rudder. The nose is still above the horizon. Yeah. Okay, beautiful. Sweet. And then stop it when it's level. There we go. Back you climbed a little bit. Alright, alright. So just one more. One more, absolutely. Now it goes way up. Right about there. There you go. Yeah, much better. Keep it going. There we go. Yeah, I only lost 200. 300. I gotta practice that in the old Z when I get a chance. Your airplane. Alright, let's come right here a little bit. We'll start heading down the lake. I'll show you a 4-point roll. Okay? This is real easy. Fairly aggressive. We'll use this road as a line. I don't know if you can see that. We'll get up about 220 again. We'll get the nose way up. Here comes 220. Nice and easy. We'll get the nose way, way up here. Once again, we'll relax the stick. Point 1. 1. 2. 3. Sweet. 4. Beautiful. Like that? Oh, it's nice. You want to see an 8-point? Sure. All right, here we go. Same thing. Get the nose down about 220. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then, yeah, Mustang. Man, that is a nice rolling ship. Beautiful. It's just, yeah, it's awesome. Just gorgeous. Do the inverted pull. Big Sky 279 Charlie Mike is 10 to the west and not right. Get past this cloud here and we'll go for it. We're going to push it up about 40 inches at 2,500 RPM. Takeoff Skyline 2 that is turning around to the field overhead there with 7,000 feet. Find a clear spot here. Maybe. Alright, let's get past this cloud here and do it. Which runway does the wind look like it's favoring? Alright, here we go. Looking for about 300. Wow, look at this thing go. Here we go. A little bit of right rudder there in the vertical part of it. Up and over. Wow, that's pretty. Woo, that's beautiful. Nice and loose here. Yeah, straight back down. A little bit of left, a little bit of left rudder. Mile initial for runway 1. Beautiful. Alright. Woo, man, that's sweet. What do you think, right ahead to Penn Yan? What's that? Right ahead to Penn Yan? Sure. Alright. Yeah, what a great right, 16 miles. Yep, she's all yours. Go ahead. Oh, you got everybody's attention down here. This is a beautiful thing right here. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at this pretty lake out here. One girl that's flying with us, she's in love with this area. Oh, yeah. Nancy, maybe? Nancy? Well, Nancy and then there's Kelly. Yeah. Yeah, they just... How are they to get along with? Pretty good girls? Yeah, they are. They're real good. Kelly especially. Cute girl, Kelly. Yep. She's a sweetheart. I'll leave you alone. Crack your flight. Yeah, you're good. All right, make sure your boost pump's on. Set the trims up here. You see the ball go out for a second so I get the flaps out. Power's still up. And the oil door is open. We are good to go. Look about 120 on final. On the flaps. And a whole bunch of trim. Jack Roush's Mustang was built up from paperwork from a Mustang that was based at Bartow. Really? It crashed in Lake Louisa at 44, late 44. Kind of like my Waco. He had intellectual rights then, huh? Yep, that's it. Yeah, paperwork. How capable he is. Yeah. I got a great Mustang story to tell you about Roush. Okay. Car or airplane? Yeah, it's more of a wheel landing than a... Oh, that's always a good landing. Locking tail wheel on this? Yep. Well, it's never over, is it? It's never over. It's not over till we're in the chocks. It's fairly stable, though. She pulled the flaps up when? As soon as we touch down, that gets the tail down, gives me positive steering. Oh, okay, good. Yeah, we landed on the downhill side of the runways. Oh, you should see this east-west runway, what that's like. Oh, that's insane. Good old family down here called the Middlebrooks. I hope a couple of them come out to meet you. Oh, good. Been around, Dad's gone. The guy who's Jack started the thing up, had his head down like he was programming something, and the airplane started creeping. And Al said, he stayed just to hear the Merlin, and then Al said, holy shit, he's going to taxi into my Duke. Oh. And sure enough, he did. He took the tail off. Oh, no. Wow. Al goes running out, and this guy, Al, Jack's done boneheaded things, as you know. Oh, my God. He's crashed more airplanes.